Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to switch between buttons and swipe gestures on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here I have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, and as you can see now I have here the buttons here in the bottom of the phone. And if you want to change it with swipe gestures, you can do it. For that, just go to settings and here tap on display, go down and tap on navigation bar. And here we have buttons and swipe gestures. Now it's selected buttons, and if you want to switch, just tap here. And as you can see, the buttons disappear, and now we have here a bar, and to exit, just swipe, and that's all. We are back to the home screen. Okay, now let's go back, and if you don't like it, you can change it back. For that, just tap again to buttons, and also here we have more options. And from here you can change the order of the buttons. You can select it like this, or you can go back. So it is very easy. I will tap again on swipe, and I will let it like this. And now to exit from a page or an application, just swipe, and that's all. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.